Okay. Let's practice writing our newest letter. What is the name of this
L.
letter?
L.
What is the sound?
O.
Like wolf, lion. It's so easy to make. We start at the top, the skyline, pull straight down to the grass line.
That's so easy.
All right, I'm going to start on the
dot. Oh, this one.
Thank you. And I pull straight down. I stop when I get to the grass line, though.
Can you go down to the worm lines?
No, it doesn't go across.
Like that and like...
No. Oh, are you thinking of an uppercase L? Maybe, but we're practicing our lowercase L, which is just straight down. It's like the stick to a lollipop.
A, B,
Okay.
C, E, F, G, H,
All right. Ready? When I give you your paper, trace the black L with your finger.
That's so easy to make.
Okay, the black L with our finger. Now trace the gray L with your pencil.
Okay, now trace the
Yep, then try them by yourself. Make sure it comes all the way down to the grass line. Those are lovely L's. Good job, keep going. And circle your best L.
I like this one.
That one you traced, silly. Alright, now practice the rest of your letters. As you write the letter, say the name and the sound. So
what is
F,
the back of this?
that's going to be our next game that we play. Please finish your writing, Jaden.
Okay.
Good. Thank you for saying the name and the sound as you write it, Santiago. T to M. P. Good. I want to hear you say the name and the sound. Remember D, we go around all the way up and down. Go around. There you go.
I done.
Did you say the sound as you wrote each letter? Oh, you skipped one too. Good. All right, go ahead and flip your paper over. And let's play the letter writing game.
What is this?
Now, if I say a word that begins with T, we're going to write a T. If I say a word that begins with P, we're going to write a P. If I say a word that begins with K, we're going to write C. D, we're going to write a D. M, we're going to write an M. And S, we're going to write an S. Which letter do you think is going to win our game, Jaden?
All of these.
Oh, you have to pick one. They can't all win. Which letter do you think is going to win?
C.
What sound does C make? Santiago, which letter do you think is going to win?
I don't know.
Just pick one. I don't know either. Which one do you think is going to win? Which letter?
I will pick. I think is
Okay,
D.
you told us.
T.
Okay, Santiago thinks T. What sound does T make? I think D might win. D makes the sound D.
Okay, D.
Here we go. Oh, I don't know.
I think
Let's see. Sit down on your bottom, please.
I want to do
That's how we do our best writing. Get ready. All right. The word is tape. What's the first sound in tape? What letter makes the T sound?
T.
T.
is going
Thank you for answering me, Santiago. Ready? The next word is duck. What's the first sound
And then
in
you do that.
duck?
And then you do that, right?
What?
And I need to do this one.
What's the first sound in duck?
I'm done.
What letter makes the
D.
D sound? D. Good
Can
job.
trace it too.
Ready? What's the first sound in mouse? What letter makes the sound?
M.
M. What's the first sound in
Ow.
pumpkin?
Stop putting salt.
What's the first sound in pumpkin? What letter makes the
P.
sound? P. Make sure your P comes down to the worm line.
Oopsie.
It sinks.
I want to.
That's okay. Just erase it.
Okay, now what I do?
P looks like this.
Go down to.
Trace mine.
Is this a highlighter?
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to use a
Ready?
highlighter.
For the next word.
Mm-hmm.
What's the first sound in sick?
Sick.
S says.
I think
Careful.
S is going one.
Nah.
Do you need a different pencil? That pencil doesn't seem like it's working very good. Okay, the first sound in sick is S says. What's the first sound in candle? What letter makes the k sound? C. You know what though? That should have been our first C, because we shouldn't have that one there. That's okay. What's the first sound in monkey?
M.
M says
I think M is going one.
No.
What's the first sound in donut? D. What letter makes the D sound?
D.
What letter
No
makes
way.
the D sound?
I think
D.
the different letter.
Jaden, what
D.
letter makes the D sound?
Where's the
D.
D? Oh,
What's the name of that letter you're writing, Jaden?
D.
What sound does it make?
I think
What sound does D make?
D.
Okay. All right, ready? Let's see which letter's going to win. What's the first sound in turtle? What letter makes the T
T.
sound? T.
I was winning. I got one more.
What's the first sound in pizza? What letter makes the P sound?
Where's the P? Oh, here it is.
P.
P. Make sure it's a sinker.
I wanted to win. I want
Good.
to win.
What's the first sound in sun? What letter makes the
S.
sound? S.
Ow.
Oh, don't do that.
That doesn't hurt.
What's the first sound in dinosaur?
D.
D. What letter makes the
Where's
D
the
sound?
D, guys.
D1. I thought it's D1.
Okay.
D1.
Can you write D? Because it hasn't won yet.
Huh?
You haven't written it yet.
Is this?
Around, all the way up, and down.
I
Circle
got
the
a
letter
D.
that won. What letter won our game?
D.
D. What sound does D make?
D. I thought it's
All
D1.
right, great
D.
job.
You didn't win.
D.
You did a fabulous job today, friends.
Did I did too?
I will take your pencil. Here's a leaf sticker.
I
Leaf
like it.
begins with O. L says O. I'll take your pencil, push in your chairs, and you may walk back to Mrs. Scoot's room.
Thanks.
Great job.